it's circle time with Miss Sabrina. Thank you so much for joining me today. Do you guys hear what's outside? I hear the rain. It's a rainy day. When it's a rainy day, I like to read a book or take a nap, or sometimes I might get some hot chocolate to stay warm. What do you do when it's raining? Guess what? I have some rainy day songs. There's a song called It's Raining, It's Pouring, The Old Man Was Snoring, and Rain, Rain, Go Away. Do you want to hear them? Okay, come listen. Also, you can do the hand movements with me. You could do the rainy hands and the old man is snoring. Just follow along. All right, here we go.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head, couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Jimmy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Jimmy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning.
Look what I have, friends. Listen. Wow, it sounds like rain. Do you want to play a rain game? We can make the sound of rain with our bodies. The first sound, we're going to use our mouth and we're going to go shh, shh. The second sound, we're going to use our fingers and we're going to snap. Or if you can't snap, you can go like this. The third sound, we're going to use our fingernails and you're going to need either the floor or a desk. The fourth sound, we're going to clap. The fifth sound, we're going to pat our legs, pat our thighs. And the fifth sound, we are going to stomp on the floor. And then we're going to go backwards. Okay, let's play the game. Okay, ready? Good job! You did it! Thank you for hanging out with me on this rainy day. I had a good time with our songs and our game. Okay, see you next time. Bye!